Do you ever feel like you're constantly busy but not actually getting anywhere? I've been thinking a lot about this recently because, work gets busy and family life and all that kind of thing. But then, where actually is our moment in the day to work on the things that we want to do? Now, this channel is a prime example of this. I've been doing this now for over a year. I've seen some growth and I really appreciate you for watching these videos and for your comments. It's really nice to see that you're getting value from them. But there's been moments where I've fully invested myself, posted every day and, been full of ideas. And then there's other times where life stress gets in the way and you don't feel like you can dedicate. You just get home of an evening and you kind of slump in your chair, have takeaway, watch a show on Netflix, that kind of thing. And, I've been doing that for years in lots of different ways: alcohol, drugs, Netflix, whatever. But you just get to a point in your life where you think, enough is enough. I need time for me now. Perhaps you've been feeling this as well. It's a crazy world at the moment, and it's easy to get caught up in all these things. I've been listening to a really great book recently called Reality Transurfing, and it explains these energy drains as a pendulum, which I think is a beautiful visual representation. These pendulums are set up by the world, and I don't mean this in a malicious way where it's us against them, that kind of thing, although I used to think that. But it's just, everything is set up for productivity, to make money, to be efficient, all these kind of things. And that really takes us away from our true essence, that part of us inside the stillness where our inspiration comes from, where we get insights, where our creativity is born. And we get caught up in all these systems of, you need to be here at this time, you need to finish this document, send that email, all that kind of thing. And the more I think about it, the more unnatural that actually feels. We weren't meant to be running around, getting up in the morning and thinking about emails and what we're doing for the day. And what I would encourage you to do, if that's a space you're in, and I get there from time to time. Some days I do wake up late or in a stress. Perhaps you've had a dream where you're like, I didn't do that last night. So yeah, you run into the day. But what I try to do now, as much as I can, is to wake up and spend 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, however long you've got, just noticing your breathing, noticing the sensations in your body. We're made up of energy, and if you really feel into things, you can, for instance, close your eyes and just put your hand out in front of you and just place your awareness on the palm of your hand. You don't need to look at it, but you know that hand is there. And that subtle energy field is in our body, throughout our body, and we can notice that. We can notice and we can connect with our nervous system through that way. We can notice tension in our body and realize, sometimes if we're typing away at the laptop, we might not realize that we're stressed or anxious or whatever, but noticing those subtle signs is really a foundational ability to not get caught up in things. I've always said awareness is the foundation of everything, and then on top of that, I'm going through an ABC model at the moment. I'm really looking at expanding this channel and kind of going in a route that feels really authentic. So we've got awareness, we've got being present. Eckhart Tolle teaches this. The art of being present and shutting out that noise is really, really valuable. And I just encourage you to try to implement those little things through your day. I've certainly been doing it a lot more recently, and linked with the awareness. Obviously, if you go off on a tangent, that awareness snaps you back, and then you're able to become present. And then what that does, the C, the ABC, what that does, the C, is give you that connection to your soul, to your being, the essence of you that knows what you want to do in this life and what value you want to provide for people. And I believe that's basically why we're on this earth. We've come here to spread our own message, to help people in the way that only we can. We're all so unique. I'm different to you, you're different to me. We've all got different skills and knowledge, wisdom that we can share with the world in our own unique way. And I think it's really important for you and me and everyone to tap into that. Instead of getting caught up in this daily life of drudgery and paying bills, all that kind of thing. I know that's a part of life and we do need to do that, but we also need to tap into our essence. So I hope this video's been helpful. I hope I haven't ranted on for too long. And yeah, I'm going to be making more of these videos because it feels really authentic to me. Just kind of turning the camera on and just going for it. No script, nothing. I had a vague idea of what I was going to do in this video, but it's kind of come off the cuff. So yeah, my advice for you today would just be take those moments of stillness, see what arises, maybe have a notebook next to you and just jot down any ideas. And I just want to say, I'm with you. I'm fully backing you. You can do this. Whatever it is you desire in this life, you've got it. So just keep going. Know that you're not alone. And I really hope you have a great day. And I'll see you soon.